Banangla ban ai susu ya ka jing sempang cekipai ba nongrem hakalyang karep karyang ka baklem da penukam ya ki jingkle dawai lane ya ka bala jutip kum ka organic farming. Nakalyang katanat rekam jong ka Spice Board of India ka bahabru hapo ka Ministry of Commerce and Industries ka sorkar kemi. Mentakas ngi kelas dang ya ka program ai jing hikai ka balai sngi lenter hapo ka snong tasor maudkhar. Ka jing tmu jong kane ka jing hikai ya ki pat nongrem jong kane ka snong kalong banang penbha susu ya ka jing nang jingtip halor kirukam rep ya ki mar rep bapher ki bakat kum ka juk ka bamenta bat karpang eru ban ai sendon ya kata ka jing pen itu ka bakarpang ya ki nongrem ki baju penukam ya karep karyang ka baklem dakle dawai lani ka certification syaki nongrep ka snong tasor maudkhar. La sakhiru ya ka jing simta ka bashir hem jong ki pat nongrep jong kane ka snong ki balayo sisai ka jing mentoi lang ba ki jing tip jing nang lang ba kane ka program hakabala sakhiru ya ka jing simta nadu kilong kemi long khpa bat ki samla kan thei ba chenrang bat lawan ban ai jing hikai halor kane dakinong kren bat kinong hikai ba sempang jong katanat Spice Board of India ki bana nongba Shillong bat Guwahati.
This is a program under Prime Minister Kaushal Vikas Yojana conducted by Spices Board Field Office Shillong. It's called RPL program, that is Recognition Prior Learning Program. This is the first program that we have conducted in Meghalaya. This program is for the farmers who are already practicing organic farming, and this is a 3-day program. First day we will teach about the theory of the organic farming, second day it will be on practical session, and third day all the farmers will be assessed by an external agency. Actually, this program we have planned for the entire Northeast. All the 7 states Spice Board is conducting the program. Already we have conducted 9 programs in the state of Assam, and this is the first program in Meghalaya. Again, we will be planning some program in other districts of Meghalaya.
What is your expectation from your department regarding this kind of training, especially to make the farmers understand on organic?
Yeah, actually, if we compare northeast state of India with other states, all the farmers are practicing organic farming by default, but they are not recognized as an organic grower. So this PMKVY program is mainly aiming the farmers who are already practicing organic farming, but they will get a recognition as an organic grower. So it is not a teaching process, but it is a recognition process in which the farmers will get a certification. But this certification, it means that the farmers are already recognized as an organic grower. Then, as promoting the farmers as organic grower, they will just learn more and more about the certification process. Already they are practicing organic farming, but they don't know much about certification procedure. So it will promote the organic farming as well as certificate. So the organic products from the Northeast will give a certificate that these are organic products, and it will promote the farmers to practice organic farming.
So what about the market?
Market, actually, if you are having an organic certificate, there is no problem for market. The thing is that farmers, they will say my product is organic, but there is no proof that it is an organic product. Okay. By certification procedure, actually we are certifying the procedure, not the product. So already there are 28 to 29 certification body which is accredited by FEDA. These certification bodies will come and assess the procedure which is done by the farmer, and they will get a certificate. It depends on the crop and depends on the practices which is followed by the farmer. Once they are having an organic certificate, based on the organic certificate, they can approach the exporters also, and there are some manufacturing units who are directly procuring from the farmer. So this will help the farmers to market their product as organic.